Respiration. Okay? First is a chemical reaction. The aim of the chemical reaction is to release energy. Okay? The aim of the whole process is to release energy. Okay? It occurs in a certain place inside the cells. Anyone know? Well done. It occurs in the mitochondria. Which is a special place inside the cells. Alright? It happens in both plants and, I was going to say living organisms, I was plants and animals, but really it happens in all living organisms. Alright? So I might scrap plants and just say all living organisms. It is one of the features of something being alive. You remember Mrs. Gren?
Yeah.
Right. One of the R's stands for respiration. If you're alive, you have to respire. Alright? Plants are alive, they respire too. Alright? I think we tend to forget that. Okay? Great. So, respiration, chemical reaction, releases energy, goes in the mitochondria, it happens in all living organisms, and, this is what I'm leaving now, there are two main types of respiration. Aerobic and anaerobic. So there are two types of respiration. You need to know them both. Okay? Now, I'm going to come back to that, but firstly, I just want to talk about why. Why do we respire? What do we do with this energy? Why do we need this energy? What is the point? Alright? 1. Movements. 2. To maintain body temperature. Now this isn't in all organisms, because some organisms are what we call cold-blooded. They don't control their own body temperature. Like my lizard at home, right? So he won't use this for his respiration. To build large molecules from small molecules. 3 main things, right? Let's try to keep it simple. And so much so, I will underline them. It's movement, it's body temperature, and it's building molecules. That's what we use this energy for. There are other things, but those are the 3 main things we must remember. Alright? So, respiration. Introduction, why we respire, and now I want the 2 equations for aerobic and anaerobic respiration. And we need to know. Okay? So, I'll begin with aerobic. The key or the concept of aerobic respiration is that it occurs with oxygen. The equation is glucose plus oxygen. When you react those 2 chemicals together in the mitochondria, you will release energy plus water, and I wish it was had a bigger board, but plus carbon dioxide. All okay so far? The second type of respiration is anaerobic respiration. This occurs when we are short, when the conditions don't have enough oxygen. It's often called the incomplete breakdown of glucose because there's no oxygen to help with that breakdown. And so our glucose just converts, and I'm going to write this energy smaller. Why have I wrote one energy smaller than the other?
Less energy.
Because it releases less energy. Excellent. And we get this. What's the R for? And this is the awful chemical called lactic acid, which you associate with cramp or muscle fatigue. Fair enough? Alright, so the introduction to respiration. It occurs in the mitochondria of our cells. It happens in all living organisms. There are two types. It is a chemical reaction that releases. There are three main reasons why respiration happens. Don't forget, this one is particularly important in plants. And those are our two equations for respiration.
Which one was in plants again?
Now that's an interesting question, is that? You mean which type of respiration occurs in plants, and which one of these is mainly important? Alright. This is the main reason in plants. This is the main thing that plants do. And plants use nitrates and other minerals to make proteins, which is how they grow. Right. Overview. Stop it, Josh.